Hey there everyone, once again this is Hushar Rahmati from Ariana Professional Academy back with another exciting lesson on idioms. Today we're going to be focusing on some cool idioms for describing people, and trust me, you're going to love this. And guess what? It is going to make you sound way cooler and more confident in your conversations. So let's dive right in. Alright, first up we've got a couch potato. What does it mean? Well, it is someone who spends a lot of time sitting on the couch, watching TV, and being lazy. So, if you know someone who loves to chill all day and watch TV, you can say they are a couch potato. In Pashto, you can say, Latkas, ya haga kas che til nasbi au hiskar na kavi. For example, my brother is a couch potato. It means my brother is a lazy person. He never does anything. Here is another great one, a people person. This refers to someone who enjoys interacting with others and is good at making connections. In Pashto, you can say, Haga kas shape asani sara da khalku sara adik jodavi, ya da khalku sara khabari kawali khokigi. For example, if you know someone who always gets along with others and enjoys socializing, you can say he is a people person, which means he is a person who loves to talk with people, and he is a person who can make connections easily. Next, let's talk about a busy bee. If you are a busy bee, that means you're always busy with works and tasks, and you don't have much free time. In Pashto, you can say, "Haga kas che hamesha masrufi au der kar kavi." As an example, these days you are such a busy bee. It means these days you are very busy on working something. Next, we've got a bookworm. Now don't worry, it is not a real worm. It is a person who loves reading and spends a lot of time with books. So if you know someone who can't stop reading, then they are a bookworm. In Pashto, you can say, "Haga kas che de kitabunu de lostalo sara mina lari." A good example is, Muhammad is a bookworm. He finishes a novel in a week. It means Muhammad is a person who loves reading and who reads book a lot. Now let's be honest, are you a bookworm? Let me know in the comments below. Lastly, here is one for those who stay up late, a night owl. This is someone who is more active at night rather than during the day. So if you're awake until the early morning, then you are a night owl. For instance, I'm a night owl because I work on my project. It means I'm a person who stays up late because I have projects. But before we leave, here is a fun question for you. If you could describe yourself with one of these idioms, what would it be? Drop your answers in the comments below. That is a wrap for today's idiom lesson. Now you have 5 fun idioms for describing people, and I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, the more you use these idioms, the more natural your English will sound. So try them out in your next conversations. See you next time. Bye.